In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your logo to Shopify. This is a simple yet crucial step in setting up your online store, as your logo serves as the visual cornerstone of your brand, giving your site a distinctive look and helping it stand out. Let's dive into the process and get started with adding your logo right away. First things first, you'll want to navigate to Shopify's main dashboard. You can do this by logging into your Shopify account and selecting My Store from the home panel. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page of your store's dashboard. This area is essentially the command center for your store, where you can manage various aspects of your shop, from products to themes. Next, look for the Online Store settings on the left-hand side of the dashboard. This is where you'll manage all your store's visual settings. Click on the Customize button. This will take you directly into Shopify's theme editor, where you have the freedom to fine-tune and tailor your store's theme according to your preferences. Once inside the theme editor, direct your attention to the top bar and locate the gear icon. The gear icon typically symbolizes settings, and clicking on it will open up various customization options for your theme. This step is crucial because the gear icon is your gateway to making aesthetic changes that will align your Shopify store with your brand identity. Simply click it and you will be presented with more editing choices. After you've clicked the gear icon, proceed by looking for the header section in the side panel. Within this section, you'll find an option specifically for managing your store's logo. Click on it to continue. This part of the theme editor is designed specifically for uploading and adjusting visual elements like your logo, ensuring they fit just right on your webpage. Now you'll see an option to upload your logo. Click on the Select Image button, which allows you to either upload a brand new logo from your computer or choose an existing one if you've already uploaded some images to your Shopify files. If you need your logo in a specific format or size, make sure you prepare it beforehand to ensure it seamlessly integrates with the existing design elements of your store. Once you have uploaded your logo, you'll see it appear instantly in the preview pane on the right side. Take a close look and ensure that it looks just the way you want it. You might need to adjust its size using the provided sliders to ensure it displays clearly and complements your store's overall aesthetic. When you're satisfied with the positioning of your logo, remember to hit the Save button before exiting the page. Saving your changes ensures that your logo appears live on your Shopify store, reinforcing your brand every time a visitor comes by. And that's it. You've successfully added a logo to your Shopify store, making it personalized and uniquely yours.